Last time I did a video about how windy is it in Iceland. I was living in Reykjavik back then, and people was very disappointed because I didn't leave the sound of the wind, because I put some background music, so they could not hear how windy it is. Now it's snowing since 2 days and it's a quite strong snowstorm outside. So I'll bring you to the right to show you how it looks in Iceland, Asbru, Keflavik, that's next to the airport, the international airport. I will just go to the ocean and show you how snowstorm looks in Iceland. Let's go. That's how my windows look after 10 hours of snow. But let's go outside to see how the weather is. The entrance. Oh. Cool. Because the car is clean, at least. I don't have to take down the snow. I don't even know if I can go out. Not really. Maybe we don't go for a ride. I will go for a walk. Look at this. You see this guy? You see him and you don't see him. You need help? You need help?
No, I'm fine. Thanks
okay, welcome. I don't know what he's doing, but he has a shovel. So I will not go very far, because I would not like that I cannot come back. So my street is already closed, so I cannot. I will try the other direction. If not, I will just go for a walk to see here how it looks like. I don't even know if I can pass here.
So the guys just helped me to push it out. Thank you very much. Let's see if he can back. I was thinking.
Way to the bottom.
I was thinking the same.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have brand new tires, winter with nails.
Me too.
Yes.
Look. God damn it. Because the snow was under the cars. Yes. And it's
Look at him.
I cannot.
Yes, he got it. Hey man, good luck.
Thank you very much again. Have fun, guys. Look, nails.
Like already half an hour stuck in this neighborhood.
Ah, okay. Nails with all not new, but
good tires. Okay, man,
okay.
good luck. Don't
Have
get
fun.
stuck.
Yeah, you too. Thanks. I'm leaving just there and I'm going back now. So this is the neighborhood. After 10 minutes out. After 10 minutes out. Back in business. The GoPro is full of snow in a millisecond. So yeah, there is no way to go nowhere. I go back home, be safe, I will go for a walk and that's it. There is a car stopped and I could not go further, and I drive inside exactly up. Let's go to help. I stopped in the same position there. She's completely in the snow. Oh, the car is standing on the snow. This is like fucking how high.
Are you recording?
Yeah, a bit. The smoke, don't worry.
Kurwa.
So, both of my neighbors got stuck. One is with his girlfriend, but the one girl is with her baby. And the problem is, she went up on the snow and it doesn't matter, we cannot push her down, it's almost impossible, I will show you. Hi. 10 minutes. So that helped. Now let us try to come out. So yeah, we passed. Unbelievable. Yoo-hoo! At least I have Opa. I cannot believe that we arrived home. I cannot believe that we arrived home. At least we have 3 cars to come out. Woohoo! Was very cool.
Look at this.
Welcome to Iceland. That's just because I have short hair. So, finally I arrived home, safe. I got stuck just once and I could come out by my own, almost. But my neighbors, they got stuck. Very, very ugly, and now it's impossible to go out. Look. Oh, there are some jeeps who try to be tough guys. Ah, he's pulling him. Or not. Crazy. So that was it. I cannot show you more because we are stuck in one and in the other direction, and till tomorrow it should be continuously snow, so I'm really curious how it will look. Wow. But I will go a bit for a walk later to see how it is.